shifting roles, changing goals. Okay, this podcast is a space where we will talk about the quiet change in our life. The moment that don't always look big but end up with changing everything. And I'm Afra. In this podcast, we will discuss about the shifted in our life from the beginning episode. We will talk about the changing life from the elementary school, junior high school, senior high school life to university life as a university student. And this isn't about we having it all figured out, but it's about noticing the shifted itself and learn to move with it. So wherever you are right now, take a breath and let's begin. Okay, we will udah masuk ya. Let's begin, langsung masuk aja atau aku tetap. Okay, so wherever you are right now, take a breath and let's begin. Okay, come here, our brother. We have a guest here in our podcast to together about this very beginning episode. Okay, here my brother Adam. Okay, everyone, this is my actually he is my classmate. Yeah, my classmate. Okay, my classmate in my we at some major. So, do you mind if you introduce yourself to the audience?
Okay. Okay. Thank you for Afra.
Yes, thank you.
For inviting me. Okay, my name is Adam Ali Muhammad, and most people call me Adam. I came from Bantul, Yogyakarta. And I live in Piungan. I live in Piungan in my house and in around 17 kilometers from this University of Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta.
Quite far, right?
Right.
Okay. And here, Adam, in this very beginning podcast, this podcast name is Shifted. We will talk about the shifting in our life.
Okay.
And in this very beginning episode, in this first episode, we have a topic beyond the title, the first shift.
Okay.
This meaning is the changing from our school life before. It's mean when we kindergarten and elementary, junior, senior high school to university life. That we know university is quite like unique life, right? In several people here. So, do you still remember the first day of your university?
Okay, for the first day, as I said before in the introduction, okay, the first is this. Okay, especially for myself, to going to this campus, UMY, in the Kasihan, Bantul, but when even is still in Bantul,
Same area,
same kabupaten, district, Okay, but my house and university and UMY is so lumayan far Okay, the first one is far because for myself is far in the first, and the second one is I didn't expect that our class, especially in our major is in the international, especially international Islamic communication. Our class is in the Pasar Sarjana building, and Pasar Sarjana building, not as other students in this college. And the class is like in the conference
room. Like a meeting room.
In meeting room with the letter U and the LCD and the what uh, the microphone and others, the equipment to meeting
Oh, yes,
in that room.
In that room.
Okay, and the third one is the way to study in the first. I went to this campus, and during the first day in this university to study. The way to study is a little bit much different, much different than my study in the senior high school or junior high school before. The way to study, and the next one is the teacher or the lecture, how the lecture is teaching us. The way is the way is much different with our era in the senior or junior high school. Maybe that's all, for the first impression is very different,
Very different, right?
Okay.
Okay. You mentioned that there is a difference between your school life before
Yeah.
to university life, right? So what the moment that you realize that, oh, this is very different from my school before?
Okay.
What is the moment that you realize it's really different from my school? In my school, this doesn't happen.
Oh, okay. The different, the moment that make this campus era, college era different with the senior high schools or the junior high school era. Not especially for me, not we can adapt with the new environment, but we have to adaptation with the new learning method.
And the learning method.
Because since elementary SD school until senior 12 years we doing that method of learning, and the university and the college we doing all of the assignment or the study is by ourselves, because just the teacher as a guide, giving the instruction, and we do the assignment or the group assignment, and we have to analyze some cases and we have to discuss it, we have to present it. Maybe the moment is when the first I still remember one of lecture is giving us the task to make a paper with the 600 words.
Oh. Which course is it?
In the psychology with Mr. Hari Purnomo. Yeah, sure.
This isn't in a first
semester,
right?
Yeah, sure. Because we have to analyze some cases.
Yes.
We have to analyze some cases, and we make a paper that we haven't do it before.
Yes, paper is quite deep. I think we didn't do it in our senior high school, right?
Sure. Yeah. Okay, maybe that's all. For the difference and the moment. When the lecturer is giving us the assignment, the assignment that we have to responsible with the assignment by ourselves. The teacher not helping us, but we have to responsible with the assignment. Yes.
Even the lecturer have what they say, offer to us. If you need any help, you can call me, you can text me, right? But as we know that, we for understanding the instruction of the assignment itself still quite much. What is the meaning of this assignment? Okay, then what do you learn from these differences from all of this?
Okay. What I learned is that like I said before, the first impression, the way to study, I learned and how to adapt with the how to study in the university is we have to do all the tasks is by ourselves, and we have to keep the ethics of the academic. When we have to cite the citation, we have to put the sources or the author in the paper
Yes.
on the presentation of the discussion, because in the academics area, we have to responsible what we want to say or we want to discuss. We have to have the landasan of the theory that we can explain to the other people or the other student, or when we doing the presentation. Okay, I learned that how to study in this.
And yes, the way of study, the learning method in university is the first difference,
Yeah.
the first very difference.
Yeah.
And do you have any suggestion for our brother sister, for younger generation that who want to be continuing their education to the university? Do you have any suggestion?
Okay, my suggestion for you all who want to entering the university or the college, the first one, you have to know yourself. You have to know yourself, and which major that you want to choose. You have to determine it. Sure, you have to pray istikharah,
Inshallah.
asking to your parents.
Yes,
and
the parents.
because this decision of shifting from the senior high school to the college to university is your responsibility, your own responsibility. If you make mistakes in the university, you have to menanggung by yourself. Yeah. Okay, maybe that's all. For the suggestion, you have to deciding sure and determine sure that you want to entering that major or you want to entering the university. The most important thing, you have to get your niyat.
Yes.
Get your
Back to niyat.
back to the niyat.
Your intention of why you continuing to as a university student.
Okay.
Then, is there any safety between your school before and university life?
Shifting. The most part, many parts, like the environment, the facilities that we get in this university, especially in UMY. If we have the capability to more get the major,
Yes, to be ahli ahli in this major.
we can get the facilities and master to get more knowledge in that major. And the other shifting is as we said, discussed before, the study, and we can get the more knowledge in this boarding school, in this university, not in the class, but we can see it in the project, in the learning by in the problem based learning or project based learning.
Even shifting in our friendship, maybe. How we doing the interaction with our friends in as the student university. It's quite different when we have interaction with our senior high school university. Is it?
Yes. It's quite different. When we interact with the friends in university or in the school before, it's quite different. Like we just meet in the class, not in the everyday. Especially for me, my house is so far from this campus, and I met my friend. I interact with my friend just in the class.
Just in the class, okay.
Not in other.
It's the same for me too.
Yes.
Okay, so this is, guys, our discussion about the first shift in our life. especially to be a university student. And we still have another discussion, so make sure that you follow, subscribe this channel, and don't forget to on your notification so you can miss our new episodes in the next. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you Adam for give your experiences,
for sharing,
for sharing,
Yeah.
for your suggestion to our younger generation.
Okay, yeah, you're welcome.
But actually, guys, university life
It's good.
it's good.
It's amazing.
It's amazing. So, okay, thank you, and this Shift podcast, shifting roles, chasing goals, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.